The storm hit us like a ton of bricks. Waves crashed over the deck, each one more ferocious than the last. Rain lashed down in sheets, blinding us and soaking us to the bone. It was all we could do to keep the sea serpent afloat amidst the chaos. We had been caught off guard, unprepared for the Tempest's fury. No warning on the radar, no sign of trouble on the horizon, just calm seas moments before. Just the sudden, violent wrath of Mother Nature, unleashed without mercy. Thankfully, our vessel, the sea serpent, is a sturdy old girl built to withstand such trials. She's weathered her fair share of storms, each one a testament to her resilience. But this one felt different, more intense, more relentless. The storm finally abated, leaving behind a trail of destruction and debris. Masts were splintered, sails ripped to shreds, the sea serpent bearing the scars of battle. We were battered and bruised but alive, and that was all that mattered. Relief washed over us as we realized we had survived the Tempest's fury. As we surveyed the damage, a sense of determination washed over us, stronger than ever. We would fix her up, patch her wounds, and set sail again, undeterred by the storm's wrath. The sea was in our blood, adventure in our hearts, and nothing could keep us from our journey. We were, after all, the crew of the Sea Serpent, bound by our love for the ocean and our unyielding spirit. With the storm behind us, we looked ahead, ready to face whatever lay beyond the horizon. Together, we would navigate the challenges ahead, our bond stronger than ever. The Sea Serpent sailed on, a symbol of our resilience and determination. With renewed spirits, we embraced the journey ahead, ready for whatever adventures awaited us. The sea was our home, and we were its devoted sailors, ever ready to face its challenges. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Lens of Life Unframed for more thrilling adventures and to support our channel. We were down below, working on the engine. Grime covered our faces, the air thick with the smell of sweat and salt. That's when Danny, our navigator, yelled out. He had been clearing out a storage compartment, one that had been sealed up for years. Cobwebs clung to his face as he emerged, clutching a leather-bound journal in his hands. We huddled around him, eager to see what he had found. As he blew off the dust and opened the journal, a wave of excitement washed over us. It was an old ship's log filled with faded ink and cryptic symbols, and tucked inside, a map. Not just any map, this one was old, parchment brittle and yellowed with time. It depicted a chain of islands, with one marked distinctly with a skull and crossbones. Could this be real? Could this be the key to finding a long-lost pirate treasure? Danny's eyes were wide with excitement, his hands trembling slightly as he held the journal. We exchanged glances, a silent agreement passing between us. This was it. The journal's pages turned, revealing more cryptic symbols and notes, each one more intriguing than the last. We discussed the journal, pointing at the map, trying to decipher its secrets. A compass was brought out, its needle quivering as it pointed towards the marked island. Determination filled our eyes as we nodded in agreement. We had to find this treasure. The engine room buzzed with activity as we prepared for the journey ahead. The engine roared to life, gears turning as the ship began to move. We sailed through rough seas, waves crashing against the hull, but our spirits were high. Together, we adjusted the sails and navigated through the storm, our eyes set on the horizon. The marked island grew closer with each passing day, its silhouette becoming clearer. Excitement filled the air as we cheered, knowing we were getting closer to our goal. The final page of the journal revealed a clue, a riddle that would lead us to the treasure. We huddled together, solving the riddle, our minds racing with possibilities. As we approached the island, its details became clear, and we knew we were on the right path. With excitement and determination, we prepared to disembark, ready to uncover the hidden treasure. Excitement crackled in the air, thick as the humidity. The anticipation was palpable, a living, breathing entity that seemed to wrap around us, urging us forward. The possibility, the sheer adventure of it all was intoxicating. Every step we took, every rustle of the leaves, seemed to whisper promises of untold riches and ancient secrets. We pored over the map, tracing the lines with our fingers, each stroke a step closer to our goal. The map was old, weathered, but it held the key to our dreams. The journal, filled with cryptic entries, hinted at a hidden treasure. Each page was a puzzle, each word a clue that we had to decipher. A treasure protected by ancient traps and guarded by the ghosts of pirates past. The dangers were real, but so was the reward. We argued, debated, and finally agreed. Our plan was set, our course charted. There was no turning back now. This was our chance, our opportunity to etch our names in the annals of history. We were ready to face whatever challenges lay ahead. We were going to find this treasure, no matter the cost. The thrill of the hunt had grabbed hold of us, and there was no letting go. The thrill of the hunt had grabbed hold of us, and there was no turning back. Every step we took was a step into the unknown, but we were undeterred. We were like kids again, caught up in the promise of adventure. The excitement was infectious, spreading through our group like wildfire. With our tools and our wits, we navigated the dense jungle, each of us driven by the same feverish anticipation. As night fell, we set up camp, our minds racing with thoughts of what lay ahead. The treasure was out there, waiting for us to find it. Around the campfire, we shared stories and dreams, the flickering flames reflecting the fire in our hearts. We were united in our quest, bound by a common goal. Under the starry sky, we felt the weight of our mission. The jungle was vast, but our determination was greater. We would find the hidden treasure no matter what it took. Section 4. Setting sail for adventure. With renewed purpose, we worked tirelessly to repair the sea serpent. Every creak and groan of the ship fueled our determination. We patched her sails, reinforced her hull, and prepped the engine. We were going to need her in top shape if we were going to face whatever awaited us on that mysterious island. Finally, after days of backbreaking labor, she was ready. We set sail under a sky ablaze with stars, the salt spray on our faces a reminder of the adventure that lay ahead. The map was spread out on the navigation table, the skull and crossbones island our beacon in the vast ocean. We gathered around the map, discussing the best routes and potential dangers. The calm waters were deceptive, hiding the perils that lay beneath. With a steady hand on the compass and a keen eye on the horizon, we pressed on. As we sailed into a dense fog, tension gripped the crew. But our teamwork and determination saw us through the mist. Emerging from the fog, the sunlight felt like a blessing, guiding us forward. With spirits high, we sailed towards the horizon, ready to face whatever challenges awaited us. The treasure map was our guide, and the promise of adventure kept our hearts alight. As the sun set, we knew our journey had only just begun, and the real adventure was still ahead. Section 5. The Mystery of Skull Island. We sailed for days, guided by the stars and the cryptic instructions in the journal. The anticipation was palpable, a constant thrumming in our veins. As the sun rose on the 5th day, we spotted it. A jagged silhouette against the crimson sky, Skull Island. It was even more intimidating than we had imagined. Sheer cliffs rose from the turbulent sea, shrouded in mist and mystery. Fear and excitement warred within us as we approached the island. The air grew heavy, filled with the cries of unseen birds and the rustling of leaves in an unfelt breeze. This was it, the moment of truth. We were about to step into a legend, into the heart of a mystery centuries old. And we had a feeling that our lives would never be the same. The map had led us here, to the edge of the known world. Every step we took was a step into the unknown, a journey into the heart of darkness. The island was a labyrinth of secrets, each turn revealing more questions than answers. Ancient carvings hinted at a civilization long lost, a people whose secrets were buried deep within the island. We stumbled upon ruins, remnants of a forgotten era, overgrown and reclaimed by nature. The journal's sketches came to life before our eyes, each page a testament to the island's enigma. We stood at the entrance of a cave, torches flickering, hearts pounding with anticipation. The cave was a world unto itself, shadows dancing on the walls, echoes whispering secrets of the past. And there, partially buried in the sand, was the treasure we had sought, glinting in the torchlight. Awe and disbelief washed over us as we uncovered the treasure, a relic of a bygone age. As we prepared to leave, the island remained shrouded in mist, its mysteries only partially revealed. We knew that Skull Island would forever be a part of our story, a chapter in the Tempest Chronicles.